How to save WhatsApp voice messages to gallery on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. So to save WhatsApp voice messages to gallery on Android, first launch WhatsApp. Sign in. Navigate to three dots at top right. From this menu, choose Settings. Once you access the setting page, select Storage and Data option. Here you will see Media Auto Download option. So voice messages are always automatically downloaded. Even you can tap when using mobile data and make sure to check mark audio. Tap OK. Similar to that, tap when connected to Wi-Fi and check mark audio. Tap OK and select when roaming. And check mark audio and select OK. And with that, whenever someone sends you voice message, it will automatically save to your gallery on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.